Hello, dear students. Good morning to all of you. Till now, in last videos, we have seen most of the parts of the digital electronics. Just before this video, we have seen combinational circuits. What are the different combinational circuit like half adder, full adder, half subtractor, full subtractor, etc. That was one of the topic of your syllabus. Now, today we will discuss about the sum of products and product of sum terms used for the minimization of the digital circuits, minimization of the gate requirements. I am here, Lalit Kumar P. Bhaiya, Associate Professor, Bharati College of Engineering and Technology, Durg. This is our 54th video. Actually, it is 57. 3 video before numbering. I have also explained initially 3 videos. Later on, these are 54 videos. So let us discuss about this SOP and POS. Here we will go for the discussion of SOP and POS with the help of this Boolean algebra and theorems. These are called as the mean terms and max terms, SOP and POS. We will see this one. Go through the Boolean expressions, its truth tables, and sum of the products is called as the mean terms, SOPs. Today's discussion outline: SOP, 2 variable cases, sum of product of the 2 variable cases, then sum of product for the 3 variable cases, sum of product for the 4 variable case, and conversion of Boolean expression into SOPs. That means finding the mean terms. POS is the max term, SOP is the mean terms. Let us see this table. This is the 2 variable mean terms table. Inputs are the A and B. Mean terms are there. And outputs: S0, S1, S2 and S3. XOR and OR NAND gate can be used. If A and B are 0, 0, then mean 0 is A bar dot B. And this is 0, 0, 0, 1. Mean A1, B0, mean term is 1, A dot B bar. Then it is 1, 0, 1, 1. This is the XOR output and OR and AND. Then 0, 1 mean 2 and 1, 1 mean 3. XOR and OR and NAND outputs, 2 variable cases, sum of product terms. XOR S0 is equal to A dot B bar plus A dot B bar. Mean terms are 1 and 2. And is S1 A dot B, min term is 3. OR gate S2, A dot B bar plus A bar dot B plus A dot B. Min term is 1, 2, 3. Min term is 1, 2, 3. And NAND gate is S3 is equal to A bar dot B bar plus A dot B plus A dot B is equal to 1, 2, 3. So these are called as the sum of products. SOP form advantages. Advantages of using SOP form is that function of any two input logic gate functions can be represented by maximum 4 ANDs at the inputs and 4 ORs at an output. SOP 2 variable cases, 3 variable cases and Boolean expressions, 3 variable min terms 0 to 3. Let us say this is input A, B, C and these are the min terms, min 0, min 1, min 2, min 3. This is XOR and OR and NAND. 4 min term, 4 variables, F1, 4 functions, F1, F2, F3 and F4 are the outputs. This is min term 0, min term 1, min term 2, min term 3. And since these all are 0, A bar, B bar, C bar. This is 1, 0, 0, that means A dot B bar, C bar. 0, 1, 0 means A bar dot B dot C bar, min term 2, and min term 3, A dot B dot C bar. And as we have already seen here, this is XOR output and OR and NAND. Similarly here, XOR and OR and NAND. These output can be obtained as a sums. So this is the SOP form. Three variables, min terms 4 to 7. This is min term 4. Because 3 variables, so 8 possible combinations are there. 0 to 7. So this is 4. Min term 4 is A bar, B bar, C. Min term 5 is A, B bar, C. Min term 6, A bar, B, C. And min term 7, A, B, C. And you will get these outputs of the gates. F1, F2, F3 and F4 outputs. 3 variable cases, sum of product terms. So this is F1, F2, F3 and F4 are the outputs, sum of product terms. So you can write the equation for F1, F2, F3 and F4. F1 is equal to S. So how will you write here? A, B bar, C bar. So from this you can see here, A, B bar, C bar plus A bar, B, C bar plus A, B bar, C plus A bar, B, C. And min terms are, here you can see, this is 1, 0, 0. And this is 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1 0 1 and 0 1 1. Just a minute, please. So these SOPs are very important factors. Similarly, for F2 output, you can calculate this 3 and 7, mean terms 3 and 7. For F3, you can calculate 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. F4, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are the mean terms. Product of the terms. Advantages of using SOP form is that functions of any 3 input logic gate functions can be represented by maximum 8 ANDs at the inputs and 8 ORs at an output. Four variable min terms 0 to 3 A, B, C, D. So 16 possible combinations are there. Similarly, you can find for the 4 mean 0, mean 1, mean 2, mean 3, mean 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 in terms of like this. This is A bar, B bar, C, D. This is A bar, B, C, D. This is A, B bar, C, D, and so on. And this sum you can show here. So you can take the products here. F5 is equal to sum. This is A bar, B bar, C bar, D bar. A bar, B bar, C bar, D. A, B, C bar, D. A bar, B bar, C, D. Then A bar, B bar, C, D. Min terms of 0, 2, 7, 9, 12. So these SOPs, sum of product in terms of min terms, you can show here. Advantage of using SOP form is that functions of any 4 input logic gate functions can be represented by maximum 16 and ANDs at the input and 16 ORs at the output. Conversion of Boolean expression into SOP, finding min terms. Example, suppose in a 4 variable SOP, there is a term with 2 variables, only C, D. We perform AND operation with A plus A bar, B plus B bar, using OR rule, that OR of a complement of a variable or term with itself. This is conversion. You can see this equation. A, B, C, D plus A, B bar, C, D plus A bar, B, C, D plus A bar, B bar, C, D. This A, B, C, D means 15, equivalent to 15. So min term is 15. This is equivalent to 11. Min term is 11. This is equivalent to 7. So you can write 7 min term. And this is equivalent to 3. You can write 3 here. So 3, 7, 11, 15 are the min terms. So and obtain the SOP standard form. So this is about the sum of the products which are very important. It's called as the min terms. you have to take if the min term is given to you 3 in 4 variables, then you can write A bar, B bar, C, D. So this is the product, A bar, B bar, C, D. Another min term 7 is given to you, then you can write A bar, B, C, D. This is 7. And take the addition of these two, sum. So this is called as sum of products, SOP. And hence, SOP are the important term for realization. Now here 4 AND gates, AND gate with 4 input is used, or AND gate with 2 inputs, 2 AND gates may be used, and OR gates are used here. So here we require the 4 input OR gate, or you can say the 2 OR gates with 2 inputs can be utilized. And you can develop the circuit. So this is the formation of the SOP, standard formation of the SOP. So dear friends, dear students, I hope that you may understand this SOP, that is sum of product. You can take the product of the variables according to the given equation and then sum it. So for product you require the AND gate, and for the sum you require the OR gate. Using AND and OR gate you can develop the circuit. Hence, please go through the initial videos of the digital electronics on Boolean algebra and De Morgan's theorem and other logical gates video, and then try to find the expressions, and from the Boolean expression derive the truth table, and from the truth table try to find out these mean terms. So mean terms you can find for the 2 variables which is shown here. 2 variable means there are 4 mean terms, mean 0, mean 1, mean 2, mean 3. 2 to the power 2, that is 4. 3 variables means 2 to the power 3, that means 8. So 8 mean terms are there, mean 0, mean 1, mean 2, mean 3, mean 4, mean 5, mean 6, mean 7 and mean 8, mean 7 up to 0 to 7. So mean 7 means A dot B dot C, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, that is equal to 7. Mean 6 means A bar dot C, that is 0, 1, 1, A bar means 0. So that is equal to 6. So this is the product shown here, A dot B dot C, A bar B dot C. This is called as mean term for 3 variables. And according to the expression, you can take the sum of the particular mean term. Or suppose it is given mean in bracket 3, 4, 5. Then you have to take the sum of mean 3, 4, 5. Mean 3 plus mean 4 plus mean 5 like this. So this is called as sum of product. If the mean terms are given to you, you can develop the digital circuit from this sum of product. Similarly, you can have the sum of product is nothing related with the AND gate and then OR gate. Similarly, you have the product of sum. First you take the sum and then take the product. So for taking sum you need the OR gate and then you need the AND gate. So both possibilities, these are called as the max terms. So using min term and max term, you can draw the configuration. you can develop the digital logic circuit. So the digital logic circuits are important and very easy by using this max term and min terms. So dear students, please go through the details of this SOP and try to solve the number of problems with the help of this SOC. For digital electronics, RP Jain, I think, is the best book, and you can go through this book. So thank you very much for listening this video. If you have any doubt, you can ask me at any time on any platform, right? So here what we learn, a Boolean expression output can be written as an SOP expression. SOP expression has the min terms. Each min term represents that row of truth table in which output is 1, output is equal to 1. Into each min term is implemented by AND gates. Min terms after ORing gives the output. Using OR rules, a Boolean expression with a lesser number of variables can be expanded into SOP form to get all the min terms and obtain SOP standard form. So thank you very much for listening this video, and hope you will enjoy this digital electronics by doing certain numericals on the SOP form. So thanks a lot. Next time we will go for the remaining topic and we will end the syllabus. That is 100% syllabus will be covered. Only remaining thing now will be POS and TACO generator. Later on we will see it. Thanks a lot. Thank you very much.